Downtown Culver City is home to two allegedly haunted locations, the Culver Hotel and the Culver Studios, both of which are linked to the city's founder, Harry Culver, and its rich film history. The most persistent ghost story from the Culver Hotel involves Harry Culver, who, aside from founding the city, also built a hotel in 1924. The spirit of Culver is said to wander the hallways of his former office on the second floor, occasionally rattling windows. The Culver Hotel is also the supposed home to Munchkin ghosts. During the filming of The Wizard of Oz, the Culver Hotel housed the actors who played the Munchkins, and a local legend claims that the Munchkins threw wild parties and used underground tunnels to get to the studio from the hotel. Some believe they enjoyed the hotel so much that Munchkin ghosts took residence and have been creating mischief ever since. As for Culver Studios, it's said to be haunted by the ghost of its founder, Thomas Ince, who died under mysterious circumstances. Ince died in 1924 aboard William Randolph Hearst's yacht, and while some say it was from a sudden illness, a popular rumor from the time suggests that Hearst accidentally shot Ince while aiming for Charlie Chaplin. Over the years, stagehands have reported seeing the film mogul's ghostly shadow watching them from the catwalks high above the studio floor.